Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a zipper on a leather jacket. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a seam ripper, a new zipper of the correct length, and strong polyester thread. It's crucial to measure your old zipper accurately, down to the nearest eighth of an inch, to ensure your new one fits perfectly. Selecting a high-quality, durable zipper, perhaps a metal or heavy-duty plastic type, will ensure your jacket lasts for many more years. Now, let's carefully remove the old zipper. Using your seam ripper, gently unpick the stitches holding the zipper in place. Take your time with this step. Rushing can easily damage the leather or the jacket's lining. Ensure you remove every bit of old thread and any small pieces of the old zipper to create a clean surface for the new installation. This meticulous preparation is key for professional finish. With the old zipper removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by pinning the new zipper into position, making sure it aligns perfectly with the jacket's opening. For extra security, hand baste the zipper in place before you start machine sewing. When stitching, use a specialized leather needle and strong polyester thread. This combination will ensure your stitches are durable and hold up well over time, giving your jacket a renewed life. Finally, let's complete the installation with some finishing touches. Stitch the zipper firmly, paying close attention to even spacing and consistent tension for a professional look. Once sewn, carefully trim any excess thread and gently press the seams flat. Before you declare the job done, test the new zipper several times. Open and close it fully to ensure it operates smoothly and reliably, giving your leather jacket a fresh, functional update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.